let's see. This is what we got. Steak and eggs with some spinach on there. The salad we destroyed, so no salad. And we have a soda pop. What happened?
Night.
Huh?
You want the next month June 9 you start my house.
Okay.
Yeah, 9.
Okay.
I just charge 9. But you pay money for the 2. Yeah, every month you pay my money. You pay my rent money is 2 every month. But you leave my house is 9.
Okay.
So next month,
Yes.
June 9.
Okay.
And you want to leave my house.
Okay.
You can move.
Okay.
Okay, you remember, okay.
Uh-huh.
So tomorrow, you give me money. Tomorrow
Yes, I give you money for my fish.
Yeah, you take
Okay.
on. It's no problem. We are talking, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You want to do something, you just talk to me, okay?
Okay.
You keep find the place because my heart.
You said you would help me.
But I asked the people. The people don't want older people. He want to raise the Chinese.
They're only Chinese. They only want,
Yes.
no more Americans.
Yeah.
Just Chinese.
I just know.
I don't want the I want to move an American.
American, but
Yes.
I don't know. I don't speak English, but I know American people.
But maybe one of your Chinese friends is smart, could help me.
But you want? I just ask the Chinese people. I don't ask the American people. Do you understand? So I know American people friend. I asked before. I asked the Chinese people. Almost the Chinese people.
Yeah, no more Chinese people.
Yes, he don't speak English, so he wanted to interview Chinese people. So I told him, you don't speak in Chinese. So I know friend, you want me help before I ask. So this time I show you, I ask, but the people, he wanted to speak in Chinese no good.
Okay.
And my heart hurt. I don't do more. Do you understand?
I smoke outside now. I no more smoking inside.
I show you, I want to surgery. My heart hurt. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if okay, you leave my house, it's okay. I'm okay. I don't want everybody move. I want to live here. But this time, I want the surgery. My family come here. Do you understand? I know you're good guy.
So you kick me out.
Yeah. No, everybody go.
Well, they get to go first.
Yeah, if you want to go. But this new boy, he just leave my house. 1 month, he buys the house. You understand? The boy, he buys a new house. He want to move. So I want everybody move. My family come here.
Well, I don't know him. I don't know if it's true or real or.
No,
He could say whatever.
No. The other boy, he want to move. Things. Yeah, every people move. You understand? It's okay. I know you're good. You're smoking outside. I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. But this time.
It's okay. I don't want to be a problem. You don't want me here? Well, I'll move.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody move.
No worries.
So you see, this time I clean. I do something. I fix. Today I clean everything. You know, I wash the sheets today. I'm outside. I do everything. I just keep clean. Every day I do that.
Good.
My
That's
family
good.
come here.
Okay.
You understand? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
If I go to surgery, I want everybody stay here.
I don't care about anything except for my fish. When you say no water, no electricity, I want to move.
Because I need money for surgery, not my heart hurt. Sometimes I'm talking about you understand? Just this. In the night, very dangerous. So my medicine.
But I didn't do it.
No, different. I got diabetes and my body is no good.
My body's no good either.
Yeah, you're good.
No.
Yeah, this time I found the place easy. You move easy.
Okay.
Not the people, You found the American place.
Okay.
Yeah, I asked the people, he said no.
Yeah, help me, please, because I'm slow and I cannot find no place.
But you want to fast, you want to move, okay?
Yes, and it costs a lot of money. I don't make that much money, but where I want it costs more money.
No, you found the
So
place.
you could help me.
No, you found the place is cheap.
Where? I'm not living in that shithole over there.
No, this time I think it's not cheap.
Where? Cheap? Where?
But this I asked these people he don't want it. You speak in Czech.
It's cheap over there in that shithole. No, I'm not gonna live in that shithole.
Do you find? Do you look?
I'm gonna look. No, I haven't looked.
You looking? Do you look in the house?
I will start looking, yes.
It's how much?
I don't know. I know there's one place over here, it's 1,400 over there. It's
Is
too
it
much.
cheap?
No, it's my own place. I cannot afford 1,400. I can only afford like 7, maybe 800. But I want my own place. And I don't want to pay 600 for a 2-bedroom in that shithole over there. But there are no places like that over here. It was all new houses. There's no fucking whatever.
No, you don't rent the new house like Marty's new house. You rent the old house.
There's no old houses. What old houses? Where?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, over there. Not over here.
Yeah, you keep looking, okay?
No, I don't want to live in that shithole.
But I know this time a lot of house rent.
Yeah.
The people working this time, so a lot of people rent house.
That may be good for me.
Yeah, but I found the people they just speaking Chinese now. I know the American food.
Yeah, it's just Chinese.
Yes.
No more Chinese.
Yes.
Maybe Japanese.
The Japanese, I don't know, speak English.
Oh. How about flips? Do you know any flips?
I don't know.
Filipinos.
What's Filipino?
Filipino. You don't have any Filipino friends?
No, Filipino.
Like the guys that live across the street?
Do you want to eat it? I don't eat.
I feed it to my birds. Yeah, I'll feed it to my birds.
I give you the half, okay?
Okay.
I think it's more.
My birds will eat it.
Yeah, I give you the half.
Bagels.
I keep it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I give you 3. I give you half.
Oh, thank you.
I know everybody's good. I'm happy I make money. But this time I want surgery. Tomorrow I want to see the doctor. Tomorrow morning I see the doctor. Tomorrow morning I see the doctor. And Tuesday morning I see the doctor. I
Okay.
see the heart doctor. I want to know what's time. So yeah, I just talk to my family. What I want to do. I like to go to China surgery, but I can't go.
How come?
I go to China, it's a surgery there, no more money, it's cheap. But American surgery is expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I want to pay a lot of money, the usual, pay little bit money. I want to pay more, I buy the usual, it's cheap.
Mm.
I hope I want to go to China surgery, cheap.
It's too much for the plane ticket?
Yes, the ticket is expensive.
Too much, huh?
But no, the Chinese don't want me to go to China. I know visa. I know visa.
No visa, what happened?
No visa, no.
I have no idea either.
No, because I'm
I can't go to China.
I'm American citizen. So
Oh.
I can't go to China.
Oh, how come they're mean?
Yeah, this time is a virus, the COVID-19.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Mm-hmm. The governor, he closed the whole fucking thing.
Yeah, close everything.
Fucker.
But sometimes, all the day in the night I can sleep.
At night?
I don't sleep.
I go to sleep at night. I wake up early.
No, my heart hurt. All the night I don't sleep.
No?
Yeah. So the doctor showed me very dangerous. So I want to take medicine.
Mm-hmm.
He said, your heart maybe just fast die, just die.
What kind of medicine? Don't believe in him. What kind of medicine?
For the heart.
Yeah, what is it?
My heart, he said, sometimes stop. The heart, dum, 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 dum.
Yeah.
Sometimes dum. Stop.
So what did he say? What do you need? A bypass? What do you
He
need?
wanted me like surgery and
For what?
put it together. The surgery, get it together. So the doctor, he said, very dangerous.
Did you have another opinion?
Yes. So he wanted my family come here. The doctor, he said, very dangerous. I want to get to the doctor, send warm and send contractor. Want my family come here. I told him I'm single, my husband died. He said, you want your son come here, send the paper. Because
serious.
Yeah, because the surgery is very dangerous.
Yes.
I told him I know family with my own people. So your family want to come here.
Okay. Is this hospital?
No.
I don't
So
know.
I know family here. So
I think you need to get a second opinion. You look fine.
No, I assure you, sometimes I think it's bad. I'm crying. Do you understand that?
No.
I'm crying.
I don't. Oh, you cry.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bad.
I cry.
Oh, you cry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think maybe I die.
Yeah. Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah. So you need surgery then.
Yeah, the heart is very bad.
So you let me stay here. I pay rent. Help you.
No.
No?
My family come here.
Well, get rid of someone else. Get rid of that.
No. My family only come here.
Oh.
My son, his wife, his father, his mother, my brother come here.
That's what the last landlady said. You guys all say the same thing.
Yeah. So why? Every day I want to clean, I want to pay. And for my brother, this is my son, and his father, his mother, his wife, everybody come here.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see, I wash the sheets, I keep clean, everything tolerable.
Mm-hmm.
If to not working, I'm hard hurt. I can't do not working.
Okay. No problem.
I know you're a good guy. I don't understand. Everybody's good in my house. Everybody good boy, you're a good guy. Just we are different, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You like smoking, I don't like smoking. Just
I know. That's what it is.
Yeah.
I like smoking. It's okay.
It's okay with smoking, but you don't stay the room, stay the house, you drink smoking. It's okay. But I just surgery. I want surgery.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
I don't want to be a problem.
Yeah. So make me sad. Sometimes I can't in the night I can't sleep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm crying. I think it's bad. I think my life is bad. Do you know?
I really don't know, but you're sick. My body's falling apart too, but not like yours.
Yeah.
Got some bagels. My sick, I'm poor sick.
You don't too long, people sleeping.
give you some money tomorrow. And my little fishies get to see the light. Alright, well, we're gonna hurry up and eat this and go to bed.
Yeah, I wash the sheets. If my family come here, just use.
Yeah?
And every day to let it go.
That's what the last Chinese lady said. Something, no water, no surfboards, no toolboxes. Whatever. No pets. Oh, it's the other one I could smoke and drink at. This one, no. She says the same thing. No aquarium. No surfboard. No toolbox. After the toolbox episode, yeah, that's when we got kicked out. She said, I said, you're out of your skull. No, it's my, my surfboard, whatever. My fish. No more Chinese. Listen, we were desperate, so we said, okay, they're your fish, they're your tools, it's okay. Next one, no, it's too hard. Well, that came out pretty good. A little bit of eggs. We should have put all the eggs in there, right? A little bit of Heineken. We really like to cook with whiskey. We don't like to drink it. We don't like to cook. Pretty much Heineken's. It's a Heineken bagel steak. It is.
So I turn on the air conditioner. So you do the open the window, okay?
Okay, yeah, air conditioning. We want air conditioning.
Okay.
Because it's getting hot. But she's a nice lady. I'm not going to bother her. I'm going to leave. It's her house. My dumbass wasn't smoking in the room. She couldn't say anything, but since she caught me smoking, then I really can't say anything because that was the rules. Whatever.
So much content, it's too much content.